Alright, here we have the Insta360 Gen 3 unboxing. Looks pretty awesome. Awesome packaging. It's actually magnetized to the case because the whole system is going to use magnets. Super tiny, super portable. This guy's waterproof right here. All the user guides and all the accessories. This can clip onto things like your hat brim. That's where your hat would go. There's kind of like a stand with a regular screw, like a tripod mount would use. Here's the housing that'll charge the camera. Remove that sticker. Snaps right in. Starts charging right away. Got the shortcut button, got the power button, got the record button. USB-C to charge the housing. That button will let the camera pop back out. The screen will flip up so you can watch yourself. And there's pressing the button and it lets the camera pop back out. Okay, so trying to set up the camera, it didn't even have enough battery to start the update. So it's charging on my little battery bank, and let's check out the other accessories. So this will mount to the little stand, or it'll mount to another tripod. And then magnets. Really soft click in to detach it. And this accessory is awesome. It's like a necklace that you can wear under your shirt. So if you put that around your neck and put the magnet under your shirt, then the camera can be on the outside of your shirt, just sticking on wherever you want. thing can wind back up when you're done with it. Magnets. Okay, after like 15, 20 minutes of charging and updating, now we can actually get a preview and go through the settings. Resolution settings, exposure settings, settings. $60 gigabytes of onboard storage. Some sound audio settings. So it's remote viewing what the little camera sees. It doesn't have to be plugged in, and you still get to watch what's on the screen. All right, going through the case here, got USB, and then a little adapter for the necklace mount thing, so you can kind of prop the camera up or down or whichever direction you need. Just gives it some mounting options. And stickers. Thank you.